pulling out a shingle to send off for testing for repairability and compatibility, and lo and behold, what do I find? No underlayment anywhere.
Use underlayment. What?
And I just want to show you guys real quick some of the nailing that I see all the time around here. Everything is under nailed and high nailed. So, for example, this shingle here, one nail, two nails, no nails, no nail, one, two, and no nail. This entire roof is held together with 2 nails.
Each single should have 12 nails. 6 on the top row and 6 on the nail line.
In Greensboro, in North Carolina, we like to use underlayment and follow all the steps for properly installing a roof. So with a little bit of diligence and determination, we were able to remove that shingle, send it off to the lab, prove that the roof was not repairable, and get our customer a new roof that she absolutely deserved. And one of the things I wanted to show you here is the nail pattern. In that previous video, you could see high nails, there was no underlayment, roof wasn't worth anything. But here our nail pattern, as you can see, boom, nail line, nail line, nail line, nail line, nail line. Not overdriven, not underdriven, nail head flush with the shingle. These shingles aren't gonna tear through from the wind. And so overall, another win for MCSquared Roofing and for our customer. Just the cost of her deductible, she was able to get her entire roof replaced, and she had water coming in her house like a sieve at the time. So, chalk another one up.